Neighborhood newsletters are a great way to engage your community, inform residents, and increase the membership of your neighborhood website. ComWeb Solutions have a built-in communications module that lets you send beautiful newsletters through email to your residents. In this video, we will cover how to use the template newsletter to quickly build a newsletter, insert pictures and text, and create links back to the website to help residents find the information they need. So let's get started. Go to the Welcome button and click on Communication. You'll need Communication Administrator privileges to complete these tasks. From the Communications module, you can create a new email from scratch or use a template created in the Manage Templates area. In the Templates area, you can see templates that are available to you or create a new one. Let's take a look at the newsletter template that we're going to be working with now. An email template consists of a header, a content section, and a footer. Let's close this for now and move over to the email creation area. Click on Manage Communications and then create a new communication. The first thing to set on an email are the properties. Who's the email from, who's it going to, what's the subject, and to optimize it for mobile devices, whether the width will be 6, 7, or 800 pixels wide. The next three tabs control the content, where you can select a template to use, the header section for the email banner, and the footer, which should have information about the sender and a link to mailing preferences. Back on the Content tab, you'll see that you can select a template or a blank page. Let's select Newsletter and use that to start our newsletter editing. The Content area is a what you see is what you get display of your email. Here you will place the text and images for your email. The Formatting tools let you adjust how the text will look, and the Controls area to save, preview, and ultimately send your email. For a complete description of all the formatting tools, click on the Help button at the top right side of the formatting toolbar. As easy as our templates are to create a newsletter, we have a few tips. Newsletters are a great communication tool for a neighborhood, but you shouldn't be the only one responsible for the content. Involve your board and solicit articles so when it comes time to put it all together, you aren't stuck writing articles while you're formatting your letter. So the first tip is collect your content before you start. A regular schedule with due dates for content will help remind your fellow board members to participate. Second, include links back to your site. Your newsletter will go to all the residents, and you want to engage them and get them back to the website for more information. Finally, be positive. Leave the notices for the mail. Tell them all the great things going on in your community. So let's dive into the mechanics of newsletter creation. First, prepare yourself by getting all your articles together into a text file so you'll have all your content close at hand. Windows Notepad works pretty good for this. Now let's replace the text from the first article with the text from the Notepad. A quick keyboard shortcut, Control-X, will cut the text. In the newsletter, select the area where the text will be placed, then use the Paste Plain Text button. This will ensure that no special characters or formatting codes are copied in. Use Control-V to paste the text, and then select Paste to put it into your article. ComWeb's editor makes it easy to change text formats by selecting the text and then selecting the format you want. Now let's change the picture. Select the picture, right-click, and select Properties. From Properties, you can either change the URL that points to the picture, or you can select a picture from a directory on the website. If the picture looks good, go ahead and click Insert, and then scale the picture down to 200 pixels to fit into the template. You can also edit text directly on the template. Just select the text and type in the new text that you want there. Now we'll just quickly finish up the newsletter using the same steps of cutting and pasting and formatting and editing the text where necessary. At this point, you can preview your email communication by clicking the Preview button at the bottom. You'll see exactly what the user will see when it comes to their email box. Now save the communication and edit the properties to select the sender, which distribution list it will go to, in this case all members, and the subject. You must save the newsletter prior to sending it. When you're ready, go ahead and click the Send Communications button. You'll be given the option of sending a test email to yourself. If everything looks good, go ahead and click Confirm Send Email, and an email will go to each member of the distribution list you selected. Thanks for watching. For more help, visit our support site at support.comwebinc.net.